While most people fear AI will take their jobs, a small group is using AI to build businesses worth millions. Which side will you choose? How AI is creating millionaires, while most people ignore the opportunity. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than almost any technology before it. Yet most people are using AI for simple tasks like writing emails or answering questions. Meanwhile, a small group of entrepreneurs is using AI to build products, automate businesses, and create entirely new income streams. The difference isn't intelligence, it's perspective. Successful people don't ask, "What can AI do for me today?" They ask, "What problem can AI help me solve for thousands of people?" That's where real wealth begins. AI is reducing the cost of starting a business. Today, one person can use AI to write content, design graphics, edit videos, build websites, analyze data, and even provide customer support. Tasks that once required a large team can now be managed by a single entrepreneur with the right AI tools. But technology alone doesn't create millionaires. Value does. People who combine AI with creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving are building businesses that scale faster than ever before. The biggest opportunity is in replacing humans. It's helping humans become more productive. Whether you're a freelancer, student, business owner, or a content creator, AI can help you save time, improve quality, and serve more people. Those extra hours can be invested in learning new skills, building digital assets, or launching products that generate long-term income. History rewards those who adopt powerful technologies early. The internet created new opportunities. Smartphones created new industries. Now AI is opening another chapter. The question isn't whether AI will change the future. It already is. The real question is whether you'll remain a consumer of AI or become someone who uses it to create value, solve real problems, and build lasting wealth. Because in the AI era, the greatest opportunity belongs not to those who fear change, but to those who learn, adapt, and take action.